Creating a daylight system. A daylight system is kind of similar to the sunlight system, with the exception that the daylight system uses a combination of two different lights, mainly a sunlight and a skylight. So you can use the IES sunlight or an MR sunlight or target direct light, which is a standard light, as your sunlight. And you can use an IES skylight or an MR skylight, or just a skylight in the standard light can be used as the skylight in our daylight system. So to create this, we're going to go to our Create tab. We're going to go over to Systems, and we're going to go into our Daylight. All right, pick on Daylight. We're going to get this dialog box. This is Daylight System Creation. And it's recommended that you use the logarithmic exposure control. And so what we want to do is say yes to this. Do you want to change this? We'll say yes. All right. And at this point then, now we've created a daylight system for our sunlight system. And now the methods that we use are basically the same as our sunlight system. We want to go with picking a spot in the center of our scene and putting a compass rose in. We let go, and then we'll place the distance of our light, how far away we want it. I'll pick, and now I'll right click, and I've created now my sunlight system. Okay, so I mean my daylight system. I created a daylight system here, and so now that we have the compass rose and we have essentially two different lights, we have a sun and a skylight. So there's two little light glyphs here. And next, we'll take a look at controlling those parameters in our next video.